Imagine waking up every morning with a six-figure income, yet by month's end, your bank balance screams broke. Sound impossible? It happens to millions of middle-class households. In fact, over 45% of American families making $60K to $150K live paycheck to paycheck, even with steady jobs. How can you earn good money and still feel poor? The top 1% of households generate more income in 30 days than the bottom 50% make in an entire year. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal hidden reasons why middle-class people stay broke and how to break free once and for all. By the end of this video, you'll gain a clear understanding of why traditional financial approaches might be holding you back. Armed with new knowledge, you'll be empowered to make informed decisions that pave the way to lasting financial success. If you're determined to conquer your goals, hit subscribe. Every video is crafted to empower you towards greatness. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. The rich think in systems, the middle class think in paychecks. Here's a mind-bending truth. The biggest difference between the wealthy and the middle class isn't income, it's thinking. The rich operate with a wealth mindset. They see money as a tool to build freedom, legacy, and systems that generate income while they sleep. The middle class, on the other hand, often adopts a money mindset, focused on earning and spending. They live in survival mode. How can I earn more to afford this? Instead of asking, how can I build a system that pays for this? Imagine this. Two people earn $80,000 a year. One builds assets and invests $1,000 per month. The other buys a new SUV on loan, spends $300 per month on subscriptions, and has $0 invested. 10 years later, the investor has over $200,000 plus in appreciating assets. The spender? Still broke, still stressed. Here's how to flip it. First, track where your money flows. Ask yourself, is this purchase a liability or an asset? Next, start treating every dollar as an employee. Make it work through index funds, REITs, or side businesses. If you only think in paychecks, you'll only live for weekends. Systems, not salaries, create sustainable wealth. Number 2. Millionaires build assets that work when they don't. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to keep making money, even when they're on vacation or asleep? Here's the secret. The rich build income-producing assets that never call in sick. Middle-class people? They mostly trade time for money, and when they stop working, the income stops too. That's dangerous. The rich acquire assets. The poor and middle class acquire liabilities they think are assets. Think about it. Your car? Liability. That new kitchen remodel? Liability. Streaming subscriptions? All draining your account. Meanwhile, a millionaire might invest $25,000 into a dividend-paying ETF and make $150 per month without lifting a finger. Over a decade, that turns into $40,000 plus in returns, just by planting the right seeds. If your money stops when you stop, you're not free, you're trapped. Every dollar you earn is a worker. Either it's sitting on the couch, or it's out earning more dollars for you. You don't have to be a millionaire to build like one. Start small. Be consistent. Because someday, you'll wake up, and your money will already be at work. That was just the start. Stick around, because the next hack could be exactly what you need to take your finances to the next level. Number 3. Hidden investments. Investing in optionality. Here's a mind-blowing truth. Wealthy people invest in things that don't look like investments at first glance. One of the most underrated secrets. They invest in optionality, the power to make better choices in the future. Optionality isn't about picking the right stock or property. It's about buying yourself freedom, flexibility, and leverage when the world changes. The middle class often ignores this because it doesn't show up in a bank balance immediately. But as Nassim Nicholas Taleb explains in Anti-Fragile, the more options you have, the less fragile your life becomes. Rich people pay for skills, networks, licenses, courses, tools, and even time. So when the right opportunity shows up, they're ready to pounce. Most middle-class folks are too busy paying off a sofa EMI to notice the window of opportunity passing by. Optionality isn't a line item. It's a life hack the rich use to multiply their outcomes. Middle-class minds ask, what's the return next month? Middle-class minds ask, what's the return next month? Stop thinking of investments as just stocks, bonds, or real estate. Start seeing them in books, side projects, courses, relationships, and tools. Number 4. Leverage the smart way. Samantha, a nurse from Michigan, wanted to earn more but feared losing stability. Instead of quitting, she used leverage of skills and time. She took a 6-month online certification in healthcare tech, costing $1,200. Today, she earns $35,000 more a year as a clinical data analyst. Smart risk, high return. The rich don't avoid risk. They master it. They use leverage, but not the kind that leads to collapse. They take smart risks, calculated moves that amplify returns without betting the house. Meanwhile, the middle class either fears risk entirely or takes it recklessly. Ever seen someone max out their credit card to start a dropshipping business after watching one TikTok? That's reckless risk. Smart risk is what Jeff Bezos took when he started Amazon. He didn't quit his job immediately. He calculated the downside, then took a swing. As Naval Ravikant says in The Almanac, play long-term games with long-term people and take risks where the downside is low but the upside is unlimited. The problem is, most people don't know the difference between a ladder and a landmine, so they never climb. Wealth isn't built by avoiding risk. It's built by understanding it. The middle class risks big money on lottery tickets and trends. The rich risk small capital on systems they understand. Next one is the game changer and the common mistake people do. Number 5. People whisper about budgeting. Rich people build wealth rituals. Budgeting sounds boring, restrictive, even embarrassing to some. It's whispered about like a guilty secret, especially in middle-class homes. We're cutting back this month. But here's what the rich know and do differently. They don't just budget, they build wealth rituals. These aren't one-time money-saving hacks. They're repeatable habits done with discipline and clarity, like automated investing, weekly money check-ins, or reviewing net worth every month. Most middle-class people treat money emotionally, panic saving after a crisis, spending impulsively during sales, or budgeting only when debt piles up. These habits lead to chaos, guilt, and eventually, being broke with no idea why. Instead, build wealth rituals. Start simple. Set a weekly 15-minute money meeting with yourself. Automate 10-20% of your income into investments. Set up a freedom fund, not just an emergency fund. Budgets are temporary. Rituals are transformational. You don't need more income. You need a better relationship with the income you already have. Stop treating budgeting like a burden. Turn it into a ritual of self-respect and long-term wealth. Number 6. Real-world problem solving is their playground. Most people run away from problems. The rich? They run toward them, because that's where money hides. One of the most overlooked wealth-building mindsets is this. Millionaires don't just solve problems, they profit from them. While middle-class minds complain about pain points, long lines, bad service, slow websites, the wealthy think, can I build a solution for this and sell it? Look at any successful entrepreneur or investor. They're just problem solvers in disguise. In The Lean Startup, middle-class people often ignore everyday friction because it feels normal. They tolerate broken systems at work, waste hours on inefficient processes, or say, that's just how it is. But wealthy thinkers spot friction and see value in fixing it. Anthony, a mechanic in New Jersey, he constantly saw drivers confused about routine car maintenance, what oil to use, when to replace tires. Instead of ignoring it, he created a printable maintenance checklist, sold it for $9 online, and added a basic car care email course. Within 18 months, he made $45,000 plus from digital products solving the same problems he saw every day. He didn't invent something new, he just monetized what others ignored. Money flows where problems exist. You don't need a genius idea, you need sharp observation. Staying broke isn't just about low income. It's about invisible habits, quiet beliefs, and repeated financial mistakes that feel normal. Middle-class people aren't lazy or less talented. They're often trapped in outdated systems, emotional spending cycles, and a survival mindset that glorifies comfort over calculated risk. I believe knowledge is the foundation of success. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more insights. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.